Okay, so this is just a quick video for how to charge an Ioniq. The reason being, we currently have an Ioniq5 in a multinational on a car sharing app. So if you were watching the video and you're one of these people, hopefully this is going to be helpful. I will also have another video and you should have got a link to that, and you should also have gotten a playlist for general Ioniq kind of stuff. But let's just see about charging the car first. Okay, so we're going to reverse up to a charge point. Okay, when you park the car and you're going to charge it, you do need to turn off the car. Okay, so the first thing is you can open up this charge port. You can press the braille along there, and then to close it you can press this button along here, or similarly then I can use from the key, I can use this hold button here, and that opens it, or I can press it again and that closes it. Next thing, you'll need to be obviously at a charge point, so if you're in work you'll have a charge point close by. The charge cable could be under here, or in this case actually in the front. So if you don't see one in the boot, pop the bonnet, then you come around to the front. So if we want to release the bonnet, you're going to use this catch here. So you're releasing that, it releases the bonnet. The bonnet is on struts, so they actually don't need to be held up by anything. You can open up this here, charge cable's in here, shut that down, close the bonnet, and then the charge cable will have a male and female end. So one will be bigger and one will be smaller. So the smaller end will go into the charge point, and then the larger, fatter end will go into the car. So it's literally push it straight in. That's fine. You might hear a bit of a click, or you might hear some activity along here. You might not, but you normally hear a little bit of a click when it engages. On this one then, we have kind of quartiles. This car is quite full, so if it was empty it would be flashing here, then flashing here, then flashing here, then flashing here. Fine. That's not that useful. It just means when you walk up to the car you know there's something going on. Crucially, what happens over here in this binnacle here, it always tells you this car is 96% charged. It's going to take 40 minutes to get to 100%. And you don't need to care about this. The rate of charge is 6.5 kilowatts every hour. So it's a 77 kilowatt hour battery, so not really exactly, but if you divide it 77 by 6.5, it gives you an idea how long it takes to fully charge one of these batteries, but it's telling you remaining time. So then at that point, you can walk away from the car, you can lock the car and leave it charge. Say you're finished what you're doing, the car might be fully charged. In this case it's not, because we're only after walking away from it. But the problem is you won't be able to take the cable out. So what you need to do is unlock the car, and now the cable can be removed. The cable from the charge point also will go back into the frunk, and then you can stow it away, close the bonnet, and you're good to go. So anyway, hopefully that gives somebody who's using this an idea of how to charge the vehicle. Once you've gotten into the car, then you can have a quick look at the state of charge. So in this case 96%, because we didn't really charge it. 472 kilometers left. It's telling me the charge door is open. I could go around and close it, or what happens in these, when I drive away, it actually closes itself. Anyway, hopefully that's helpful. Thanks for watching.